Right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, game on!
Get down.
Oh, Robbie is for me. Oh, be careful, sir. Careful, careful. Let it.
Oh fuck, sorry. Wash my eyes, 'cause I haven't got goggles. Yeah.
Oh. Whoa, what's that? Oh! Oh! Put me in a bad position here, sir. I'm getting shot. How do you explain this shit out of me? Ah! Whoa!
Don't get too close to that, myself.
Face him!
Dude, you're gonna fall back.
Andrew, move forward!
Move forward. Rob, move forward to the tyres or something.
Moving back. Are they move back?
Yeah.
Move to me. Wait.
Hi.
Where's he? Fucking chicken. Where's Chef, guys? I don't know where he is.
Fall back.
I found him.
Right, my back, he's dead. Move forward. Get him.
Andrew, blitz!
What?
Run and blitz! Run and blitz!
Standing.
Chef's gun dead! Run and blitz!
Boys, they said something about Andrew coming to run and blitz.
I got Andrew! Andrew, what are you doing?
I'm going.
You're not allowed to move!
Don't stop.
Chef, let's push up. See?
Reloading.
What the fuck?
fucker, who was that?
Charlie, I'm Tim.
Well, I can't do anything. Be respectful. Aim low for me.
Oh, crap.
No. What? Level 1. No, we're still in. I'm dead because I lost both my lives.
Oh my god. Don't shoot me in the face, Charlie. Yeah, I surrender. Yeah, I can't do anything.
Alright, let's play. Game over.